There's a friend in Fimble Valley that we're on our way to see, to hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground and his name is Rolly Moe. Roly, 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 roly Moe. He's the rolliest Moe you'll ever know, and his name is Rolly Moe.
Hello to you. How do you do? Look what I've brought today. It's a jigsaw puzzle. Let's go and see if we can find someone to do it with us. Ready? Then off we go!
Yugo!
Migo!
Wigo! Amigo! Let's go!
Oh, hello, Little Bo. What's in that box?
It's a jigsaw puzzle. Do you want to do it with me?
Oh, yes, please. I love jigsaw puzzles. I'm really good at jigsaw puzzles.
Well, you can get it out and I'll go and tell Uncle Roly I'm here. See you in a Rolly Moe.
Oh, look. Ooh, jigsaw puzzle. Velveteeny. Oh, ooh. Now what do I have to do? I'll put this bit here, and this one here, and this one right there, and then that one there. I'll put this bit here, and there! Finished! Oh, I must go and tell Little Bo I've done the jigsaw puzzle. Back in a Rolly Moe.
Can't catch me, Yugo! Yugo? Oh, what's that? Oh, look at that! A smile! Oh, I do like a smile. I'm going to show this to the others.
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I'm just doing a spot of painting, but I can't decide what to paint.
Hello, Uncle Roly.
Oh, hello there, Little Bo. I was just telling our friends that I'm doing a spot of painting.
Oh, what are you going to paint, Uncle Roly?
Well, I haven't decided yet.
Little Bo, where are you?
Oh, I'm going to do my jigsaw puzzle with Yugo now. See you later, Uncle Roly.
Oh, goodbye, Little Bo.
Little Bo, I finished the jigsaw puzzle.
Have you?
Yes, I am the jigsaw puzzling snoot. Come and see my tall, tall tower.
Your tower?
Yes.
Oh.
Here's my tower.
Oh.
Oh, my tower fell down. I'll have to do it again.
Oh, Yugo. Shall I show you how to do a jigsaw puzzle?
Oh, okay, Little Bo.
Busy book, let's take a look. Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a Fimble? Who can you see? It's Baby Pom. What are we going to do today, Baby Pom? Look, puzzle pieces. Let's find the pieces that fit together to make the shape. Which one shall we try first?
Let's try that one. It fits.
We found the first piece of the puzzle. Which one shall we try next?
Does that one fit? It fits.
Now we just have to find the last piece of the puzzle. Is it this one or this one? Let's try this one.
Oh dear, it doesn't fit.
Let's try this one. We did it! We made a heart shape. It's another puzzle. Which puzzle pieces will fit together to make the shape?
Let's try that one first.
Ha! It fits! need to find the other pieces that fit with this one.
Let's try that one. Oh dear, it doesn't fit. Which one shall we try next? This one or this one? Let's try this one.
It fits! Just one more piece to find. It's not this one. Let's try this one.
Hooray! We did the puzzle together! Thank you, Baby Pom. See you again soon.
Come on, Yugo. Let's make the jigsaw together.
Jigsaw-licious!
Now, this piece goes here. And this piece goes...
Oh, hello, Migo.
Hello, Rolly. Look what I found.
Oh, look at that. A lovely big smile. Oh, I do like a smile.
I know a song about smiles.
Do you?
Would you like to hear it?
Oh, yes, please, Migo.
You can share anywhere, anytime, any place. Sharing puts a smile upon your face. You can share anywhere, anytime, any place. Sharing puts a smile upon your face.
Oh, I know this one. When you ask a friend if they would care to play with you, then they can share. Share in all the things you love to do.
Share the things that you love too.
Because you can share
anywhere, anytime, any place. Sharing puts a smile upon your face. If you're playing all on your own and you're feeling all alone, then there isn't much you have to do. Just find someone to share with you.
Because
you can share anywhere, anytime, any place. Sharing puts a smile upon your face. You can share anywhere, anytime, any place. Sharing puts a smile upon your face.
There, just one more piece.
Oh, one more piece. It's so exciting. Then we'll be able to see the whole picture.
Oh, where's the smile? The smile is missing.
Oh, it's not here.
Are you sitting on it?
Nope. Are you sitting on it?
No. Then where can it be?
Look at me, Rolly. I'm smiling.
Oh, you certainly are, and so am I.
Have you got a story with a smile in it, Rolly?
I certainly have.
Can I sing the book song with you?
Oh, of course you can. Ready?
Story time with Rolly Moe, my favourite time of day.
When you take a look inside a book,
Who knows what you will see?
when you take a look inside a book,
It's fun as fun can be.
with cats and dogs and birds and frogs,
A monkey who says boo, boo,
wonderful things, giants and kings.
and maybe a fimble or two.
Now what have we here?
When you take a look inside a book,
Who knows what you might see?
a story or rhyme, just take the time.
To read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. A smiley story, if you please. Ah, lovely. Now then, are you sitting comfortably?
Yes!
Good. Then I'll begin. Loopy loved being a clown. The only thing he didn't like about it was walking on his hands. His mum and dad tried to get him to practice, but somehow Loopy always found something else to do. So one day, they thought of a way to help. When Loopy got up in the morning, the kitchen was a terrible mess. Then he saw why. His dad was pouring oats into a cereal bowl, but the bowl was upside down. "Why are you doing that?" asked Loopy. "It's upside down day," said his dad. "It's the one day in the year when we do everything upside down." "Well, that's odd," thought Loopy. He'd never heard of upside down day before, but he did his best. He buttered his toast on the bottom instead of the top, and he drank his milk upside down. It got really messy. Then Loopy went in the garden to play. All his toys were upside down. Uncle Dan arrived. "Happy Upside Down Day, Loopy," said Uncle Dan. "Why are you walking like that?" asked Loopy. "It makes the whole day easier," said Uncle Dan. "It means everything is upside down already without me having to do anything. Here, you try." Loopy did a handstand. Uncle Dan was right. It was easier. Then Uncle Dan showed him how to play upside-down football, and Loopy was very good at it. His mum and dad laughed and clapped. Loopy got to his feet. "It isn't really upside-down day, is it?" he asked. "For clowns like us, every day is upside-down day," said Dad. "We wanted to show you that it's fun being upside down." And they did. Ah, lovely.
Look, Roly, I've done your painting for you. Smile!
Oh, well, that is a very fine smile, young Snoot. Shall we go and show it to the others?
Oh, yes, let's. Will you bring the other smile too?
Of course I will. Little Bo, Yugo.
Oh, Uncle Roly, we've lost our smile.
Smile? You want smiles? Have we got smiles for you? Ha! Look!
Oh, and here's another smile.
That's it.
That's our missing smile.
That's my smile.
No, it's not. It's our smile.
My smile.
Our smile.
Now, Migo, do you remember our smiley song?
Yes.
Shall we sing it again?
All right.
You can share anywhere, anytime, any place.
Oh, sharing puts a smile upon your face. When you ask a friend if they would care to play with you, then they can share. Sharing all the things you love to do. Sharing all the things that you love to.
Because
you can share anywhere, anytime, any place. Sharing puts a smile upon your face.
There we are. One more smiley face. Haven't we had fun today?
Yes, it's been a roly-moly day.
You will come and join us next time in Fimble Valley, won't you? Now it's time for us all to go. Cheerio!
I love smiling.
So do I, but there's just one problem with smiling.
What's that, Migo?
You can't eat while you're smiling.